1.5 inches are possible in the Warren. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Frederick County in north-central Maryland until 6:15 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Walkersville, or near Thurmont, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Thurmont, Walkersville, Woodsboro, Bloomfield, New Midway, Utica, Grayson, and Lewistown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.